Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Your biology teacher Madam Farzana Suhail here with the first lecture of unit number 2. Unit number 2, solving a biological problem. We are going to start this unit. Biological method. In biological studies or researches, biologists recognize some biological problem. What are the steps of biological method? The following steps are taken for solving a biological problem. Step number 1 is recognition of problem. Number 2, observation. Number 3, hypothesis. Number 4, deduction. Step number 5 is experiments, and the last step, step number 6, is conclusion and reporting. These steps are taken stepwise to solve any biological problem. Let's study these one by one in a little detail. Step number 1 is recognition of biological problem. It begins with the formulation of a question related to biological problem. For example, what are the risk factors for lung cancer? Step number 2 is observation and previous research. After recognition, the biologist makes observations which can help him in finding a solution. He also recalls his old observations. Observations are made with 5 senses. There are 2 types of observations. Type number 1 is quantitative observations. It deals with numbers. Type number 2 of observations is called qualitative observation. It deals with descriptions. Next step is hypothesis. Biologists use observations to develop a possible answer to a biological problem. Such tentative answer is called hypothesis. These are the qualities of the hypothesis. Number 1, it is based on observations. Number 2, it is a proposed statement to answer the problem. Number 3 is it is testable through experiments. And fourth quality is there is always a way to disprove it. The next step is deduction. These are the logical consequences of hypothesis. For making deduction, scientists take hypothesis as true and draw out expected results called deductions. After that, the practical step is experiment. It is the most important step of biological method. Biologists perform experiments on hypothesis and check the deduction. Through experiments, they can prove the validity of hypothesis. If the hypothesis is false, then it is rejected and another hypothesis is going to be selected, while the true ones are accepted. The last step is conclusion. Biologists collect data from their experiment. They analyze the data. They publish their conclusions in the form of research article. They also represent their conclusions in science seminars. It allows other people to verify the result. Now, after listening to the lecture, dear students, there are 2 questions. You have to solve the questions. Question number 1 is, what do you think, which step of biological method is this? Beneath this question there is a picture given. Look at this picture carefully and tell me which step of biological method is this. Question number 2 is, what do you think, which step is this and why? Beneath the question there is a picture of few students who are doing their biological steps of biological problem. So look at the picture and tell me which step of biological method is this and why. Thank you dear students for being here with me. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.